That's Dr. Cuevas, the neurosurgeon. Dr. Cuevas?
I have an update on Lucas.
How is he?
Is he gonna be okay?
He's critical but stable.
Which is it? Stable or critical? What does that even mean?
It means he's in very bad shape, but he's not getting any worse at the moment. Please continue.
Lucas's brain was swelling. We had to open his skull to relieve the pressure. He's now in a medically induced coma until the swelling goes down.
Is he gonna have brain damage?
It's too soon to say.
Where is he?
He's in recovery. After that, we'll be moving him to an ICU room on the 10th floor. We'll be monitoring him closely.
Thank you, Doctor.
I know. He's awake. Brad, can you hear me? You're at GH.
My head.
Yeah, the doctor says you have a concussion.
Plus some bruised ribs.
Lucas?
He's alive in the ICU.
I see you.
Right, you need to lie back.
No, I need to be with my
Okay,
husband.
no, not until the doctor says it's okay.
Good, then find one. Please.
I'll be right back.
So, Brad, what happened tonight?
Lucas is out of surgery, Mom. That's a good sign.
I know, it is. But I also know too much about traumatic brain injuries, the recovery stats, and the other stats.
Well, I just want my son to wake up. No, I don't even care if he hates me. Kicks me out of his life forever. So long as he's all right.
You can go in now. Just 2 at a time, please. Go ahead.